There is Shonkokra, a exclusive with the queen herself, and the queen of sex. I so we can Farcadi, na Mister. Oh, Kromuhana say the whole Africa crowd then I'm sorry, I don't know where you are. You are lost. You should start searching Instagram and everywhere. And then the queen back home and Asia Abugyen. So and you know Abugyen is all about sex. And then be papa and much so. Now I will fear when you be writer. Or boyfriend or husband shouldn't do, you know. By the time we end the show, no, we will say yes and then we'll see a day. Okay, Aquava,
with I say,
maybe I will call.
Boko, Pepe.
Oh, hi, for
with I say,
oh, nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too.
I will ask, what inspires you to do what you are doing?
Listen, I have passion for it. I love sex. I love to turn men on. Oh, yeah. Me pedie, oh,
pedie,
papa, edie, papa.
Okay.
So yeah, that's the reason.
Okay, and then I inspire you to do what you're doing.
Yeah.
Now, I will ask you, before you started all this, no, what were you doing before?
Before I started, I was just a normal girl on the street. I may hustle.
Okay, so what was the hustling? No, how was it?
Yeah, it's on, off. Yeah, depends on how smart you are.
Okay, so obi babies are say that time no for use you and bibi na a man who say no, you are beautiful enough to use what you have to get what you want. Yeah.
So as remember about I'm very smart. Omoba no one use and then they will leave you and go
in the name of love.
Yes, but whatever I didn't be a penny when who knows you are the right person, they will stay with you, have to marry you. It's just say, "Won't worry me, dear. Be a business."
A business. It's a paper nusu.
Yeah.
Now, a boyfriend on in the whole, are you comfortable with that?
Let's not like boyfriends. Let's not share it. It's a more now. So me didn't hear no see when I'm person me keep you for some time.
Okay.
That's how we met.
So, what was your best position?
Oh, my best. Oh, and it's now continue so. Can I say that?
Yeah.
Let's continue so now. My ten na me. Me butus na me. Na ma show ni say oh dana. Jije ho mama.
Na we didn't.
Sa you want so my dana na wa peja. Online na I say the boy sing
the boy sing you. Now obi be ka say men love bad girls.
Yes, I'm okay. You better pay. You better my for. Just that Ghanaians are hypocrites. Like the men are hypocrites.
Yeah.
I'm okay. So much me person obey you him. Me dey say that me na say na also on family.
Ompa na wajai.
Ompa na wajai.
Okay. So you are you.
Yeah, exactly.
Bibi auntie me answer because because when you check her and maybe quite sorry the boy you say boy sorry just empire Haley Baba still not to be beauty and the bad girls are always getting the good men and you be like and can't get ya was say the according to not that was also how young corners was say it's like both of you are in the same lane but as a son what you say just say obi a onim say because we didn't cast off my men was so worried. Now we're falling in love with a bad girl. Not just a dear juma.
Papa. A dear. I say Bible a dear who here a dear important.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, a dear who here pa. Or being proclaiming me dinner ma or to be signed check him out. Then that in our a dear.
Okay, not just say oh baby I will show me be I was say oh my dear a here. Now it's me a deal partner. Anna got it there.
So when it comes to home, our already be sex is the most important thing.
Okay.
Sex brings love.
Okay.
Yeah. Because my door, but do not pay. Pay. I call baby for. I call pay the corner.
I call pay your pay.
Yes, your pay.
Okay. And to say you rate a dear. And that's all more boy.
And someone you are talent. No, I'm just almost pay you man. You man is home. Dear Jumano, you know prostitution is the highest, like the oldest profession in the world.
But it's not accepted. Why?
It's cause in America I'm more licensed. So
yeah, but Ghana dear, Africa dear, who say bonny?
Oh,
no. There is this thing.
That's their mentality, but now I think we're growing. Like Obia is exposed.
Because recently I read about some of them are arrested or more and all that.
Yes, you can't ultimately infringe upon Obini right.
Okay.
So you see,
Okay.
So unti me ho bi o kwan se me gina ha wache me. Ara me twen obi. Why so you remember chin tontom nenam. It's so I'm quite you can arrest me, send me a prostitute.
Okay, into into Farcadi, have you ever slept with your best friend's husband or boyfriend?
No.
Okay.
Unless now woman invite me some baby.
Like when you're free some.
Okay. But I don't think so. It's worth it. Friendship is very important.
It's very important
than sex. Sometimes, yeah.
Quick one, let me quickly come to you. Obi bisa say only nkofo bebre have sex untrue. Say obi betimi ayo bibi. Because meeting someone you don't know.
No. It's not like that.
Okay.
Sometimes, you will be there. Somebody. Yeah. The person contacts you. You screen the person. Send me your pictures. If I like you, we arrange on how we will meet. And if you go your bishop, so it has to be like a place I think I'm comfortable. You see? Then we can meet there. No, and you'll be also on the you screen. Not like say. Not like say everybody has to get access to their pussy. Okay. And you'll be also on the a border so
okay. Okay, so all of you asking her contacts, I'm gonna give it to her, so don't worry. Why? She'll get back to you later. Okay, I wish Obisa say who say selling your pussy is a sin. That is what she's asking.
No, Busa no so a sin. The Bible says that shall not judge.
Enti me ba cho wa ansa o se wa ubi sano so ase ubu aten Bible so se ma yenyi aten instead ene de wa ye juma o enkofo si omwani agro ho strong kokra but o sex position no kan ba kope but omo nye sure so say o sex position ya ba kope na ope with all this you know so umbesa wo try mo three of your favorite.
And one ma we pejani say na continue share this side no mo bo no miano for no pejame na o kisi me na ho na o miano for no na matimi adane ama o say I say wo wi atwe na di no na de bo ho no ma I made me pepper na say wa pejame na akosoro na o hyemu no say ma continue e ma some feeling bi na etwi
nti chimu ana
oh, scorpion back cow.
Na cow na
oh, me like go be my who banner money like I love it. Yeah, mommy who say oh enjoy it me you know. Yeah. Koto jensu wo metime butuwa wo mi ana wo mi asa me so ni aso ma kwa we obara me yes e kire ni a e me mo se kire
oh my god oh we know who se kire ni aka
sai so kwa so ano sorry na no continue shem no di
oh wow
P akọ baby foforo akọ pe adekoro no
akọ pe di ope
yes di ope
na be ma nani okay and to say you rate edie sika any odo in a marriage or relationship edie standing we do some percentage
edie standing like 60%. Yeah,
not just
some people
a hypocrite.
Yes, edie 60%. Odo maybe 10% na sika cause kan ni hono ma odo no beti akọ.
Okay.
Yes. But zika ni honom na odo na edie o ho de a mutimi maintain oba ntimi so kope bibira.
Okay.
Edie no de ehia pa, they very important.
Very important.
Yes. Yeah.
Wow. Baby bia o wa wo hwe yin bia na ni Farcadi na etwetwe enkomo enne ewo Abugyen so me ba cho betim de o messages aba ye bisa kra say e mani mema kra hwan na e cheat pa in a relationship e mani mema hwan na e cheat pa ti ba cho fa o messages brana ye be be phone call no so atum na wa frɛ de Farcadi kika nyina sa wuji tuma mesra wo fra then you let her know unji ntum so you bring your view and then we continue the show. Sweet. Yes. See a match cheat pa e wo relationship moji
ampa ye cheat ba yenso na mo nche da no.
How? Say it here.
Say by very smart na me boy special.
So ba betimi edi ne ho asra pretend to say
oh me di wa da bi this me tambo ho nti
owie ya obi ahu
no a wo horo pepe
kan kakra obi ahu that is a bad general a man mema why ne chiti pa because a member be chiti oh but that's a dey no
yeah about the chiti maybe for sex or money.
These two things. And a man match it
for sex or money.
Or money.
Yeah.
Wow. It's a undi or buy ye na. Oh, scasen ko beti ma for we.
Oh, any dear mefa. No, Farcadi mefa wechi. Na.
Udi ni years so na.
Udi ni years na.
Aha.
Sika ni won so a. Meso meko. Although the last percentage when it comes to relationship.
Okay.
Love, I know the obeti ma love you and the be hate you.
Okay.
Yeah, but we must can die or chana iska. We do and die or chana die. We do. Bibia. Okay. Emema harasso. And now one more crowd do udi ye wadi and okay. You like it when like when it comes like no, me when it comes to sex, harass as say obe repiana.
Ebia debi or harass be or peo mami and me do oh
do me there is kaya hu hia, e die nso hu hia.
And yes am you no
no David de hu hia pa. E udi me na me de kwa me tim di chow. Oh, e twa no ti wa discount. Who did that da?
Yes.
Yes.
Dear,
me here, dear, my young. Oh, we have a papa say be beer. Oh, yasim ha. Me dear me pay. Oh, it was so me.
Now we
Mike, me. And my pay dear Mundi and Queen.
Okay, so do you have any favorite toy? Oh, yeah,
me will be like Okojolu, Masma to papa be a bad man be or yakotibia, we walk a cracker the fear, and yeah, me when I'm wanted to me a matinaso, me pay. It's all people cotibia monko.
Now, it's funny money in a say, oh, the year, oh, you will bear manima or money J.
Or pay. Oh, like the baby, be a moon for dear grandma. So what I say, I'm the dear grandma, we're my busy.
But what's not on I condemn.
Zana Motier. Funny, Omo, innocent, Bema innocent, I'll suffer for no. Hey, on the proud. I suffer for no. Oh, you're him. On him, I try to find. I would do papa.
I suffer prophet for no.
Oh, Moody papa, me show concert, or be do.
Let's say my suffer cry if you talk about
oh that be a hair, but I don't know why like sex so strange because Bible mean sex without sex no you to me our own cause so you to me over. It's a dear they are very important. Opa my own so ope. So ope. Na fa mamo.
Na fa mamo. That's more pretending. Esa na ko shebe be ba say so the oye no ho innocent o person man skills grandpa say o ferry e na mbedi no beka sem ya hye mbedi na ese gay de wasay o but yeah ha dwema
man yes ntimi interest e pade no oh no ya wo mo ka ye feelings hye
when come ba Farcadi page na me hwe ne ma wo ye na me de entize me kunu so ye ko yesesi a
o ka say wasay
enti anye ha dwen
na ese are enti ma ba ha for mundi papa won so mun penyo ma no omundi ye
omundi ni ye enti woni ma bi ma twa ne so ye de
yes ye woni bi ye de oh
I get to say de ma be ne
oh meji ukunu ko market awon meji ukunu omo enkuruma ba o de hye ho no ma na ko chiti na ko nante ba no aba ho na to re hye o be ko bi fufuro ho o hu hwe
oh si
dabi
hey ene the messages
say wa
amen koso na ne hima ehia aka ene de che wa ham
me ha momo so
wa hampa utimi tweke
oh mitimi
utimi
oh mejuma
oh nti ba chobet ma tweke kakra pese
oh with the jeans on
with the bibi kakra to entice
me dey make like wa
hampa
me ha momo so
wa hampa utimi tweke
oh mitimi
utimi
oh mejuma
oh nti ba chobet ma tweke kakra pese
oh with the jeans on
with the bibi kakra to entice
me dey make like twerking as in dancing or kotiso twerking
kotiso twerking say you obema bema etimi anya that feel
understand eno dear mama
nti ba cho de kita o mic no fa mama na ye mama Aha, enti.
Nkita wo hu.
Okita na de.
Mama na oba kwatina no abutu kakra na wa hwe no. Na wa na akọ da na otiso na ubu na wa so akọ anim. Wine na wa tiso Jane.
Walo what's this Jane ampa. Ani ampa djuma de obi ane ne de. Obi dia
kwatidie.
Ti fa ka o de den.
Kwatidie.
Enti eya o family omotimi fro ka say why are you doing that?
Oh,
and I say we yes say
like omo used to it, like they don't complain.
Okay.
There's like Omo said, this is what you are. This is when he said me fake it to them.
Okay.
I don't have to fake to them.
Okay.
They know the real me, so they are used to it now. They know. When I was coming, Mama was like, "Don't go and say kwasi asebo ho." I'm oh.
That's me. I know I'm a koka.
And I'm saying, "No, I'm koka."
Get used to it.
Yes.
Okay. Now you should be when your request to be a crazy. You huge. That thing you never thought say obey. But you end up doing it like a sex request to be you never thought you were gonna do this, but because of the amount you're like, damn it.
Oh, like remember 2 or 3?
Yeah, like have you done it 3 times?
Yes, with 2 guys or 3 guys.
3 guys.
Of course.
How was it?
They will make you feel like a queen. You understand? I used to baba ko da hona bema me nsa. They have to try it like obema oba o kunu na okunu ni do as a baby. You go for bimbra no be di me.
Now share. Oh, chrome ha.
Oh, I don't know. Sex is kwafabra. Opa se me fa waji.
It's
ditchra no. Now say na me kunu ni pe. Say na me yene pe. Oh, of course.
Okay.
Okay,
so how was the threesome?
It was nice. Like I said, bako no monofo. Bako do ne safa fa wo hwe ba ho. Bako so bako kwatim. Oh, na enije wo. Oh.
So how
3 disciples
so how was the money?
Like I can't mention it, but it was a good deal, and I loved it. Yeah.
And you wish to do it off like more?
No, maybe 2, but with 3 guys there. I think the third partner he came uninvited. Oh yeah, we're already in the act, and he came, and I'm like, okay, do you want to join? Because he was a cute guy.
Now person dinner.
Now person dinner ya condo. Remember when ya condo? Yeah. Oh, who the crowd? What do you know on the box? Or shut up, what do you know?
What do you know?
So on can't.
And I just don't come.
Yes. Then we had sex.
And you had sex.
Yeah, that's the craziest thing I've ever done.
Craziest thing.
Yeah.
Okay, so do you do private sections?
Like how?
Like sex or they say like your Snapchat, you know.
No, I used to, but now it's on break because girls all my time. So now we're planning on something different. Yeah.
Okay, so Queen always do another then they follow, then you move.
That's it. Okay. Before I do your chimko.
So first, now how was it? Were you making money?
A lot with the premium account. Yeah, I used to have an account that you pay, like a Snapchat account. You pay and I add you on there private. It's for a month. It's 100 cedis.
Okay.
Yeah, and in a week I come on live like 2 times.
Okay.
Yeah. Not only me, I have other girls that they come on to do shows,
get
naked. That's when I realized Ghanaian men love sex.
Wow.
Yes, because within 1 month in the subscription or more subscribers was a lot.
You made a lot of money.
Yes.
Huge.
I say, hey, try one fast so.
Are you in a relationship? When you be on say?
Yes, I am.
Now be a ba na se twene kire
oh.
so jai.
Actually, obeja ko he, me na meja o.
They be o twena kire ni nti, o ye
abedianko.
Aha, on pese obeye ko obi a ho bi o.
Obeye. Wan say abedianko. We abedianko be jiba but o pese on jin to so worry me. Me so am nya ready yet. So what I say?
Let us think.
Say yanko agege. Boom sa. Me nya ready yet.
Okay, any of almost subscribing to your Snapchat, no? What you mean you be called out?
Yes, that's how I met my baby father.
Wow, then it must be.
That's how I met him. Yeah.
Okay. So what happened after?
No, after that, like.
You don't want to talk about.
Yeah, I don't want to talk. He's not important now. Like, yeah, forget it. You know.
Okay.
Yeah.
And so Farcadi, people look up to you. You know, a bit to make us a me person Diana. Tell her I want to take
Ghana girls know about her. Like if you want sex, no person on a trainer. But you say person on tongue. Don't come into my inbox telling me, "Oh, Farcadi, I want to be like." How can you be like me?
You are you.
I'm you. Like I'm me. So if you want to be like me, you have to learn to and be yourself. Oba manager will say, "Farcadi, I like me pewa. So me try price so how can you be like me? Yeah, I want to make it like how?
Okay.
Yeah.